Good morning, students. Now today we will study about eclipse. What is an eclipse? Eclipse is actually a shadow of the heavenly bodies. Okay, you all have studied in geography that sun, earth and moon revolve in their path. Okay, so what happens? We know that sun is the heavenly body and earth is also another heavenly body which revolve around the sun. Earth revolve around the sun and moon is another small heavenly body which revolve around the earth. So what happens? Sun, the rotation of sun is taken by earth and the revolution of earth is taken by moon. Okay, this so for when all these rotation and revolution happens in a year, one day comes when sun, earth and moon comes in the same path, and when they comes in the same path, what happens? The shadow of one heavenly body will cast onto the other. Okay, so this is known as eclipse. This is known as eclipse. What is an eclipse? जब सूर्य, पृथ्वी और चंद्रमा, सूर्य, पृथ्वी और चंद्रमा तीनों एक लाइन पे आ जाएं अपने पाथ में घूमते हुए, हम जानते हैं कि क्या है, सन एक हेवनली बॉडी है, अर्थ क्या करती है, सन का रिवोल्यूशन करती है ना, और मून अर्थ के इर्द गिर्द रोटेट किया करता है, रोटेशन किया करता है. सो ये रिवोल्यूशन और रोटेशन क्या है, चला करता है पूरे, उसी से क्या है पूरा एक साल निर्धारित होता है. और जब ये तीनों सन, अर्थ और मून रोटेट करते हुए साल में दो बार ऐसा होता है, एक बार सोलर एक्लिप्स के टाइम पे, एक बार लूनर एक्लिप्स के टाइम पे, कि ये एक दिशा में आ जाते हैं, तो एक की परछाई दूसरे पे पड़ती है, उसी को हम लोग एक्लिप्स कहते हैं. दैट इज नोन एज एक्लिप्स. सो हेयर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द लूनर एक्लिप्स. ओके, व्हाट इज एन लूनर एक्लिप्स? व्हेन अर्थ, दिस इज अर्थ, come in between the path of sun and moon, then we will say that the eclipse is an lunar eclipse. Okay, when sun and then earth and then moon, like this, SEM, you can remember it by the short form SEM. SEM will gives lunar eclipse. That means when sun is when earth come in between sun and moon, when earth come in between the sun and moon while revolution or rotation, then that type of eclipse is known as lunar eclipse. Now see how it caused. See, we all know that sun is an very big heavenly body which gives light to our universe. What happen when light will come and fall on the earth? What happen? This side will be brightened up. I have made one divider here. Why? Because at this side the light will be brightened up. So at this side what happens? There will be a day. At this time what happens? There will be a day in earth. The light when fall on this side, so the countries which are lying on this side will be in the daytime, and the countries which are here on the darkened side, there will be a night. You all have studied all these things. So what happen? When light will fall on this, here will be a brighter and here will be a darker side. And when while taking a revolution in a year, what happens? When sun, earth and moon comes in the same straight path, then what happens? The black shadow of the earth will fall on the moon. And we all know that the biggest body, heavenly body is sun, after that we will have earth, and the smallest heavenly body is moon. So what happens? This moon will be in the completely darkened area. So here we will have a total black area. See, I have written black area, that is umbra. It is a umbra part. So moon will be in total darkened condition. What happens? But as we all know that each and every body is revolving on its path. Okay, so what happened? After some time, when moon revolving and revolving, what happens? It will change its path from here to here, or comes from here. What happens? So at this path, what happens? The moon is now again shown. The moon is again started seeing to us. It again started seeing to us. Why? Because this is the reason of penumbra, a partial darkness. Okay, partial darkness and partial brighted up region we will have here. So moon will again start seeing to us. Okay, this is known as lunar eclipse. Okay, क्या होता है जब अर्थ सन और मून के बीच में आ जाता है और सन क्या है से निकली हुई रोशनी अर्थ में पड़ती है, तो एक पार्ट अर्थ का क्या होता है, पूरा चमकता है, तो उस तरफ दिन होता है, और जिस तरफ अर्थ पे क्या लाइट नहीं पड़ती उस तरफ अंधेरा होता है, उस तरफ नाइट होती है। और ये क्या है, दिन में एक बार रिवोल्यूशन रोटेशन इसका रोटेशन हुआ करता है, मतलब दिन में एक बार 24 घंटे के अंदर क्या है, अर्थ क्या है, इस तरफ दिन है तो इस तरफ रात है, तो इस तरफ क्या है, ये घूम के इधर आ जाएगा, तो फिर ये क्या है, अर्थ ऐसे है, आज इस तरफ क्या है, इस तरफ सूर्य की रोशनी पड़ रही तो इधर दिन है, इधर अंधेरा है, ये क्या है, एक 24 घंटे के अंदर ये रोटेट कर देता है पूरा, तो फिर इधर क्या है, इस तरफ उजेला आ जाता है, इस तरफ दिन हो जाता है, इस तरफ अंधेरा हो जाता है। यू ऑल हैव स्टडीड, ये आप लोग को मालूम है। सो व्हाट हैपन, सो यहाँ पे क्या है, टोटल ब्लैक एंड एरिया, तो इसकी अर्थ की शेडो जो कि एकदम, अर्थ बहुत बड़ा हेवनली बॉडी इन कंपैरिजन टू मून, वी ऑल नो दैट, डायग्राम पे मत जाओ, ऐसे हम जानते हैं कि सन और अर्थ दोनों बहुत बड़े हेवनली बॉडी हैं, मून क्या है, थोड़ा छोटा है इनके कंपैरिजन में, तो इसकी शैडो मून पे पड़ेगी, मून क्या है जाएगा, टोटल डार्क। सो लूनर एक्लिप्स इज ऑलवेज कॉस्ट इन अ टोटल लूनर एक्लिप्स, इट इज नोन एज टोटल लूनर। क्या है, इसमें मून क्या पूरा ही ढक जाता है मोस्टली, ठीक है। फिर क्या है, ये अपने पाथ पे रिवॉल्व करते हुए निकलेगा आगे, तो ये क्या है, थोड़ा पेनम्बरा का रीजन है, हल्की शैडो पड़ेगी यहाँ पे और हल्का ब्राइटेड अप रहेगा, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, थोड़ा सा ब्राइटनेस रहती है। दिस इज नोन एज लूनर एक्लिप्स। इट इज कॉज्ड ऑन फुल मून नाइट, it is caused on full moon night day. Okay, when we will have full moon night, on that day the lunar eclipse is caused. Okay, lunar eclipse is last for 2 to 3 hours in a day. When it is caused, it is last for 2 to 3 hours. इसको क्या है, 2 से 3 घंटे लग जाते हैं यहाँ से निकलने में, अर्थ की शैडो को पार करने में मून को क्या लग जाते हैं, 2 से 3 घंटे लग जाते हैं। तो 2 से 3 घंटे के लिए जब भी पड़ता है, इन हिंदी इट इज नोन एज चंद्र ग्रहण, चंद्रमा पे ग्रहण लगना। ओके, मून दैट मीन्स चंद्रमा पे ग्रहण लगना, इट इज नोन एज चंद्र ग्रहण। सो व्हाट हैपन, इट विल टेक 2 to 3 hours टू while comes to the penumbra region. This is known as lunar eclipse. Okay, I have explained very clearly. So this is a lunar eclipse. Now we have to study about solar eclipse. Okay, so solar eclipse is also same that I need to draw a diagram, so wait. So this is solar eclipse. What we are seeing that in solar eclipse the moon is coming in between sun and earth. In solar eclipse moon is coming in between sun and earth. Okay, so this is solar eclipse. And in lunar eclipse what happens, earth is coming in between sun and moon. In lunar eclipse earth is coming in between, and in solar eclipse moon is coming in between. Okay, so there is a lot of confusion between lunar eclipse and solar eclipse, okay, among students. Okay, what happens, they begin in very confused condition. Why? Because they don't remember that in solar eclipse that earth is coming in between or moon is coming in between. Okay, so you have to be very clear with this, that in solar eclipse what happen, moon is coming in between, and in lunar eclipse earth is coming in between. Okay, so this is known as solar eclipse. What happens while revolving around the path, what happens when moon comes in front of the sun, while revolving around its path, what happens, this is the path of the moon, okay, which revolve around the earth, and this is the path of the earth rotation. Okay, so what happens, we all know that moon revolve around the earth and earth revolve around the sun. Okay, and earth rotate around the sun. So what happens, when moon revolve around the earth, what happens, at one time what happens, that moon will come in front of the sun and earth will go at back, and moon will come in front of that sun. So what happens, on that day a solar eclipse will cast. Okay, so what happens, when light will fall on moon, so moon is also a heavenly body, it is also a umbra, it is also a opaque body. So what happens? The region from where light will not fall is known as umbra region on earth. This is the umbra region. This is the umbra region of the earth. That means here what happens at this place in earth, there will be no light, and rest of the places we will have a little bit light. That means those are the penumbra region. Okay, so moon is coming in between earth and sun. Okay, but what happens, it do not cover the whole body of the earth. As we have seen that in lunar eclipse case, what happened, earth almost covered the whole moon, but moon will not able to cover the earth. Why? Because moon is comparatively smaller in size as compared to earth, so it will just cover a part of the earth with its shadow. That means with its shadow, and that is only known as eclipse. Okay, so this is solar eclipse. Okay, this is known as solar eclipse when moon comes in between sun and earth, and it is caused on new moon day. It is caused on new moon day. Okay, it also comes once in a year. Okay, lunar eclipse, and once in a year solar eclipse. So this is very important topic, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. You have to study it very hard with the diagram, with the help of diagram. Need to practice the diagram very well. Why? Because it mostly comes in the exam, any of the diagram. So you have to practice very well, and also you have to study it. Okay, next we have to study about precaution in viewing the solar eclipse. So we all know that solar eclipse, we don't have to see solar eclipse by our naked eyes. Why? In our houses also, our mom, our elders used to avoid to see the solar eclipse or lunar eclipse with our naked eyes. Why? Because the radiation caused by the solar eclipse is very harmful for our eyes. Okay, because those radiations are known as ultraviolet radiations. Okay, those are ultraviolet radiations, and those radiations are very harmful for our eyes. That is why we do not have to see the solar eclipse with our naked eyes. While if we want to see the solar eclipse, what we have to do, we have to take a candle and a plain glass, and what happens, we have to keep the plain glass over the candles so as that it forms a soot over that glass flame. Okay, then we have to see with that glass flame, then that is not so harmful for our eyes. Okay, so we can see by that it will be less harmful. That means almost negligible harmful. So by that we can see that. Okay, so this is about the solar eclipse. Okay, solar eclipse में हम क्या देखते हैं कि मून क्या है, सन और अर्थ के बीच में आ जाता है. मून अपनी पाथ में रिवॉल्व करते करते एक समय ऐसा आता है कि वो सन के ही सामने आ जाता है, और सन के सामने आने से क्या होता है, सन की रोशनी उसमें पड़ती है मून पे, तो इसके पीछे के हिस्सा क्या है, उस पर तो रोशनी पड़ती नहीं, तो उस तरफ एकदम डार्क रहता है और वो शेडो मारता है अर्थ पे. तो अर्थ का एक छोटा सा पार्ट क्या है, एकदम ब्लैक एंड हो जाता है, और वो क्या हो जाता है, अम्ब्रा रीजन का पार्ट हो जाता है. दैट मीन्स वहाँ पे एक्लिप्स पड़ती है, वहीं पे ही क्या है, ग्रहण जो बोलते हैं हिंदी में, वही यहाँ पे पड़ता है. और ये छोटा छोटा एरिया जो है वो क्या है, पेनम्ब्रा का रीजन होता है. यहाँ पे पार्शियल डार्कनेस का रीजन होता है, बहुत हल्का. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट द सोलर एक्लिप्स वी हैव स्टडीड. ओके, सो बाय दिस द चैप्टर इज completed. What you have to do, you have to study the chapter very well, and if any problem you can ask me in the comment box or in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.